In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save the history of visited pages in Google Chrome. This process is incredibly useful if you need to keep track of your web activity for reference or productivity. Let's take you through this step by step. To get started, open Google Chrome on your computer. Notice the three-dot menu icon located in the top right corner of your browser window. Click on it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options right in front of you. Look for the History option. Hover over it, and a sub-menu will appear. Here, click on the history from this new list to proceed, and you'll be directed to a new page that displays your browsing history. Now, you might be asking, why do we need to visit this page? Well, here lies the foundation for our task. On the History page, you'll see all the web pages you have visited on the current device. If you have other devices with internet access synced to your Google account, those too will be listed here. Right beside each item is a checkbox. This step is handy if you want to selectively save items from your history later. However, what we're focusing on now is making sure your history saving feature, synced across devices, is enabled. Head on over to the left-hand side of the page where you'll see an option called Clear Browsing Data. Don't worry, we're not going to clear anything today. What we need to do is click on More, which you will find at one of the subsections within the settings. Clicking here, we can access the advanced section of the backstage of Google Chrome. Scroll until you see the section called Sync and Google Services. Click here, and a new page of settings opens up. Now, this stage is crucial. Look for the option titled Manage Your Synced Data on Google Dashboard. Clicking this will open a page where you can see a quick overview and settings of what is currently synced to your Google account. Make sure that you have History Sync turned on. If not, simply click the toggle button to enable this feature. This ensures that your browsing history is saved, synced, and can be accessed across all your synced devices. Congratulations! You have now successfully set up your Google Chrome to save and manage your browsing history, ensuring it's synchronized across all your devices. Remember that your privacy is paramount, so make sure you frequently check these settings and share information only within trusted surroundings. And that's it for today's guide. By following these steps, keeping track of your web activity on Google Chrome has never been so straightforward. Thank you for joining, and I look forward to seeing you in our next how-to session. Stay informed and happy browsing.